guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out some of Nail Addicts colors, and I have here 6. This one is Bronze Me Baby. Here's a close-up. This one's Sea, Swing, and Sun, so it's like a really sheer nude. This one is Electric Red. It has like some pink undertones. This is Blue Addict. So it's a classic blue color. This one's Underground Green, and it looks like a pretty classic green as well. This one's Happy Birthday, and it's like a blue, green, mint. So these are the 3 colors that I'm going to be using today. So right now I have my press-on tips. These are the tapered square 3XL tips from AliExpress. And right now I'm just removing the shine, buffing them out, and then after that I'm going to cleanse them with some acetone. The Nail Addicts website will be linked down below in the description. Also, you can use my code for 30% off discount on your purchase, and that will also be in the description box. Also, speaking of discounts, I am holding a 20% sale on my website. It's naomisnails.com, where I'm selling my press-ons, and this Winnie the Pooh set will be on my website available for sale. I also do accept custom orders on my website, so go to my website naomisnails.com. It will be linked down below in the description box as well. So for the pinky and middle finger and thumb, I'm going in with this nude, the Sea, Swing, and Sun color, and it's a super sheer, and I really love that. It gives it that acrylic look, and I really like that. So now I'm going in with a second coat. So this is what it looks like with a second coat. Obviously you can go in with more coats if you want it to be more opaque, but I really like the sheerness of it. So now I'm going in with Bronze Me Baby on the index and the ring finger. So right off the bat, I'm really impressed with the opacity of this color. It's really good, really nice coverage, a really nice consistency for a gel color, and I really like them. So here's me just sketching out the Winnie the Pooh, and I lost a lot of footage from my phone like malfunctioning all the time, so I apologize for that. So it's like already like almost done at this point. So I'm very, very tilted that this happened. So I'm super sorry for that. So right here, I'm just going in with his little belly with the Bronze Me Baby. And so essentially all I did was map out where I wanted his face to be. Usually when I do these hand-drawn designs, I go in with pencil first, but because I went in with that nude gel polish first, it created some type of sticky inhibition layer, so I couldn't really get the pencil on. So that's fine. So I just used black gel polish to kind of like sketch out his face, and then like once I'm satisfied with his face, I just go ahead and cure it, and then I filled it in with color. So on the index finger, I am going in with a little bee design. So I'm just making the little body of the bee. Yeah, it's super easy, super self-explanatory. You just make an oval and then you put some stripes on it. Kind of like an egg shape more so than an oval. So now that I'm done with the design, I'm going in with a gel glossy top coat. So on, I think, Instagram, I saw this hack where you use glossy top coat before you go in with matte top coat, just to prevent any smearing, just because the matte top coat is prone to making the black gel polish smear even if it's fully cured. So that's what I'm doing here, just the glossy top coat, and then I'm going to cure it, and then I'm going to go in with my matte top coat. So here's the finished product. I think it came out really cute. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And again, go check out Nail Addicts website. Use my code, and also check out my press-on website, naomisnails.com, and everything will be linked down below in the description box. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.